Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. Today I will be making strawberry crepes. Recently I went strawberry picking with my family and it was such a blast, but I had like 5 cups of strawberry in my fridge. So I decided to make a recipe for strawberry crepes and here we are now. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, half cup of milk, half cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of butter, around 1 cup of strawberries, and some whipped cream. So to start with our crepe batter, and we're going to take our flour and pour our flour in. We're going to crack our 2 eggs into the flour. This is an unusual batter because crepes are a little bit different. So we're going to mix the eggs with the flour. Make sure to break up the yolks. Just roughly mix until everything is sort of combined, not too much egg and not too much flour. And then we're going to add in our water and our milk, one at a time, ending on milk. So we're going to start with milk, pour a little bit in, and once the milk is incorporated, add a little bit of water, add a little milk, and mix. And then add our water, and mix. Then add our milk and whisk. Now, for this recipe, you want to make sure you have no lumps in the batter because it won't look as clean and as finished as crepes usually. Add in your butter. We're going to whisk it a lot. You can go back and forth like this. Now, since you have the crepe batter, you don't want to over-mix it. After we set the batter, we're going to put cling wrap over it and we're going to let it chill. So all the ingredients kind of combine together. Take our cling wrap. We're going to put it over it. Give yourself some room because we're going to take the cling wrap and we're going to press it in so just the top surface of the batter and the top surface of the cling wrap touch. You want to make sure that they touch because if you leave it open standing and there's a big air pocket in between the batter and the cling wrap, it'll cause the crepes to form a skin, which is going to make it very hard to get off, and it'll make it kind of inedible off the top. So once you got the cling wrap on top, like this, you're going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much time you want to wait. And then we're going to start cooking. We're at the stove because we're going to cook our crepes. So I have my batter here. We're going to take the cling film off. We're going to spray. We're going to spray the pan. We're going to take the pan off. Turn on the heat. And this is the fun part. We're going to set it off to the side. And we're going to scoop our batter. Take 1/4 cup of batter. And we're going to dump the batter onto the pan. And then maneuver it so it fits the circle. Make sure you got no gaps or holes inside the batter or inside the circle. Place it back onto the heat, and you kind of now let that cook all the way through. Once you see that there's no more liquid in the center, you scratch it. Around the edge. In a circular motion, kind of get underneath it. See if it's good. Not good yet. You want to see on the bottom when you lift it up with the spatula. Okay, there we go. After you see brown spots, you're going to take the spatula, you're going to go real quick and you're going to flip it up. Flip it down. And you got it. So, our crepe is done. And that is our crepe. I'm going to keep making our crepes until we have all our crepes. On to the next step. We have our whipped cream, we have our crepes, and we have our strawberries. So we're going to take our whipped cream and we're just going to pipe some up. Take a knife. I'm going to just generously spread it around. Then we're going to place some strawberries. Sounds good. Flatten the strawberry so the bottom touches the whipped cream. And then you're going to roll them up. You don't have to be too tight with this. You just kind of vaguely roll them up and then pop them in. And we're going to do that to all our crepes. And there we are. 3 crepes. 3 crepes feeds long. Now this is optional, but if you want the extra calories and the extra sugar, I would look at that. Chocolate sauce. Completes any breakfast. And there we are. Chocolate, strawberry crepes. Drizzled with chocolate. And there we are. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.